Right, so this is Colin and Sue's estate in there. This is Sue's car. There's Colin's car. And Colin's somewhere in there, I don't know if I can see him. That's garage. Coming in through the front door. That's one of the cubbyhole rooms. There's a computer room. Complete little laptop. The lounge. That one is upstairs.
There you go.
And here's Colin, eating a bag of crisps. And here's Sue doing all the hard work. And what are we cooking up, Sue?
Stir fry.
Chicken stir fry. Yummy. And there's Colin drinking his beer now. Say something, Colin.
I'm lost for words.